All right, y'all, today we making Poblano Patty Melts and we using Cowboy Brand charcoal. Let's get into it. Got them Cowboy fire starters, light them up. We're gonna make our sauce. The first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and chop up a jalapeno. If you're not a fan of the seeds in jalapenos, go ahead and take all the seeds out. Today we wanna go for some spice, so we're gonna leave them. Also, if jalapeno is just not your vibe, you could do relish or something else. Tablespoon of honey mustard, and your barbecue sauce of choice. I'm using Saucy Luke's today. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of that, and then we're gonna do about 1/3 of a cup of mayo. Mix that all around. See how this sauce is tasting real quick. Woo! That's gonna light you up, but that's good. The charcoal's nice and hot. We're going directly over medium-high heat. Cast iron skillet. Let's get it. A couple tablespoons of butter. Down go the onions. Love that sound. And we just want to caramelize these, so we're gonna cook these down until they're nice and brown. These are starting to look nice. They're still gonna continue to cook down, but we're gonna move these over to the side here. Couple poblanos. We're gonna put these right over the direct heat. We want to get these roasted up like 3 minutes aside. All right, let's give these a flip. There we go, nice and roasted. That's what you want. We're transferring these to a glass bowl, and we want to cover these so that humidity will make it easy to peel that skin off. Real men wear pink. Got us some ground beef there. We're just gonna hit it with some salt, pepper, garlic. We're gonna get this all mixed together. Got them onions right where we want them. We're just gonna let these roll for a few minutes aside. Give these a flip. We're just gonna come through with a knife. Just scrape off some of that outer skin. And that steam really helps with peeling that skin off the back here. And we're gonna be topping our patties with this, so we could just give these a nice, nice chop, and they'll lay right on top of the sandwich like that. First things up, get some of that sauce down. Spread that all around. We'll put one on each slice. So we're gonna go cheese, patty, some of those onions, and then back with that top half. Just like that. Hit it with some more butter. Sandwich goes right on top of that. Just like that. Let's come on in here for a flip. That's how you want your toast to look on the outside. You can use mayo if you want. This is plain old butter. Woo-wee. Let's see how we looking, man. Whew. There it is. Look at that, man. Gotta give it a taste test. Poblano Patty Melts. That's good eating.